If you are looking for the best way to make money online, this video is actually for you. And if this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss the 4 easiest ways for you to actually make money online, and I'm going to provide you with the resources that you need in order to get this done for yourself. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video and I will tell you the easiest way for you to really make money. So the first way for you to actually make money online is through what we call freelancing. Freelancing is actually a system where you render service to someone and get paid. There are different ways you can do this. You can do this from Upwork or Fiverr. Before you can actually make money from this kind of business, you need to have a skill that you are going to render to people. And these are where digital skills come into play. There are different ways for you to learn digital skills. You can learn it through Udemy. So if you want to learn an online skill, I would recommend you use Udemy. I leave a link in the description of the video. The second way for you to actually make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the most profitable online business you can ever think of. It's all about promoting other people's products and getting paid. You can't really do this without having the clue and idea on how you can get this done and how you can generate customers to yourself. That is why I always recommend, if you want to start any online business, you buy a course based on that business idea. I will leave a link in the description of this video. You can check out the affiliate marketing course which I took. This affiliate marketing course is going to show you a step-by-step ways in order for you to get things done for yourself and how you can keep your business up running and make those profits. The third in our list is crypto mining. Crypto mining is one of the profitable online business in the online space. This happens on Telegram. People mine coins on Telegram and at the end they collect a drop and make passive income from it. So if you can participate on this, is actually one of the easiest ways for you to actually make money. All these strategies that I'm telling you right now is what I've been doing, is what I'm keep on doing, and is what I'm doing right now to be making money online. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. For that being said, I will see you in my next video.